Hello, class 9th. I welcome you all to another online session of your English class. And today we are going to read a very interesting and inspiring story, The Happy Prince. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने शायद पहले भी इसे पढ़ा हो. ठीक है, दिस इज अ वेरी फेमस स्टोरी written by Oscar Wilde. It is chapter number 5 of our movement book. And this writer is a famous Irish playwright. He has an international reputation. He was born in 19th century. और ये पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी जो है इट इज़ अबाउट अ प्रिंस हु रिमेन्ड हैप्पी थ्रू आउट हिज लाइफ. दैट्स वाई द चैप्टर हैज़ बीन गिवन द नेम हैप्पी प्रिंस, right? And after his death, his courtiers, his people who loved him, built a statue of this happy prince in his memory, and they erected it on a high pedestal in the center of the city. They have covered it with gold and decorated it with beautiful costly gems. But this happy prince want to part from these gems and this gold. Now why did he want to part from all these things that we are going to discover in the story? Before we start this story, let me tell you that this story is about this selfless prince and a very kind-hearted bird who sacrificed his life to save others. So love, compassion, kind-heartedness, joy of giving, all these are the themes of this story. So let us start reading the story. High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes he had two bright spires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. Gilded means covered or coated. Spires and ruby, these are the costly bright gems. Stones, spire is the blue colored stones and ruby is the red colored stone. These both are very costly gems or stones. Glowed means shone and hilt means handle of the sword. ठीक है, तो हाई अबव द सिटी, यहाँ से हमारी स्टोरी शुरू हो रही है कि बिल्कुल मिडल ऑफ द सिटी at a very high place, on a tall column, on a tall pedestal pillar, this statue was built, statue of Happy Prince. He was gilded, he was covered, coated all over with thin layers of fine gold, and for his eyeballs the people had used very fine bright two spires, blue colored stones, and on his sword hilt handle there was shining a red ruby. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा हमारा सेकेंड इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है स्टोरी का कि उस रात जो उड़ता हुआ एक लिटिल स्वेलो उस सिटी में पहुंचा. कौन सी सिटी? हैप्पी प्रिंस की सिटी. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before. We all know that birds migrated from one country to another country, either to survive themselves, to keep save themselves from the harsh weather or for breeding purpose, right? So यहाँ बताया जा रहा है कि स्वेलो के जो फ्रेंड्स हैं they had already moved to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. But this swallow had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. और अब इसने भी डिसाइड किया कि he will also go to Egypt and join his friends. All day long he flew. The whole day he was flying over the sky to on his way to Egypt. And at night time he arrived at the city. और रात को he arrived at this city, the city of Happy Prince. Where shall I put up? He said. He asked himself, where shall I rest? I hope the town has made preparation. I hope the town is ready for me. ठीक है, तो यहाँ वो थोड़ा सा ह्यूमर, मैंने बताया था आपको स्टोरी राइटिंग में राइटर्स, it is the element of story that add dialogues just to bring the liveliness in the characters. ठीक है, तो यहाँ वो थोड़ा सा फनी वे में कह रहा है कि I hope the town is ready for to welcome me. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. फिर उसने इस स्टैचू को देखा on the tall pillar. I will put up there, he cried. He just spoke in excitement. Cried means यहाँ रोना नहीं है. Here it means spoke in excitement कि I will put up there, कि I will stay here. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. I will get here plenty of fresh air, so this is the best place to stay at night. So he alighted just between the feet of the happy prince. Alighted means coming down, moving down or descended. ठीक है, तो वो यहाँ descend हो गया between the feet of the happy prince, and he decided to stay here for the night, and next morning he would continue his journey to Egypt. I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked around. When he uh, descended and he just placed himself between the feet of the happy prince, then he looked around and he found the statue as it was made of gold. So he thought that he would have a golden bedroom tonight to sleep, and he prepared to go to sleep, and he was about to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. But as he was preparing himself to go to sleep, he was covering his head under his wing, so a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing, he cried. He cried, ki what a strange thing. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The weather is fine. No cloud is visible in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright. Then, and yet it is raining. Still, it was raining. Then another drop fell. और अभी वो ये सोच ही रहा था. He felt a second drop on his body. What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? He thought that the statue was useless as it could not keep the rain off. He said, उसने अपने आप से कहा, I must look for a good chimney pot. He thought he had to search for any other place, and it would be better to find a chimney of the house to stay or to spend the night. And he determined to fly away, and he decided to fly away. But before he had opened his wings, but इससे पहले कि he could open his wings to fly, to take a flight, a third drop fell. तीसरी drop of water fell on him, and he looked up. Now he looked up and saw. What did he see? Is an exclamation mark to express pain. ठीक है, तो वो यहाँ कह रहा है what had he seen, कि अब उसने क्या देखा. The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears. That these drops of waters were not raindrops, they were the tears. And from where it was coming from the eyes of happy prince. Happy prince's eyes were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks, and they were rolling down from his golden cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. Because it was a moonlight, so this statue was made of gold, so it was shining brightly in the moonlight, and it was looking so beautiful that the swallow filled with pity. And who are you, he said. Then he asked that who are you? Who he was, he asked the prince. I am the happy prince. The prince replied he was happy prince. Why are you weeping then? Asked the swallow. Then the swallow asked if he was happy prince, then why was he crying? You have quite drenched me. Drenched होता है soak या wet कर देना, किसी को गीला कर देना. उसने कहा कि you have quite drenched me. देखो तुमने मुझे भिगो दिया, गीला कर दिया. When I was alive and had a human heart, answered the statue, I did not know what tears were. Now the happy prince was telling his story to the swallow. He was telling him that when he was alive and he had a human heart, he had not known what tears were. उसे नहीं पता था कि आंसू क्या होते हैं. For he lived in the palace, because he lived in a palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter. जहाँ पर दुख को permission नहीं थी to enter in his palace. Sorrow was not permitted to enter in his palace. My courtiers called me the happy prince, and my courtiers and his courtiers used to call him happy prince. And happy indeed I was. And he is telling that actually he was happy. So I lived and so I died. And now he was telling that happily he lived and happily he died. Even during his death time, he didn't feel any kind of pain. He never ever seen any pain, any sorrow in his life. Happily he lived and happily he died. So he was not aware what is sorrow. And now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high. And now when he was dead, his courtiers had set him up here so high on this pedestal that he could see the ugliness and all the miseries of my city. वो बता रहा है कि now he could see all the ugliness and all the miseries of his city. कि कितना दुख है उसकी सिटी में. Could see the sick, poor, homeless people in of his city, and he could now realize that what is sorrow. And though my heart is made of lead, and he is telling, though his heart is made of metal, yet I cannot choose but weep. Yet he could not choose but weep. Yet he could not control his emotions, and he just cried. What is he not? Is he not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. अब swallow अपने आप से क्या कह रहा है कि अच्छा तो ये पूरा गोल्ड का नहीं बना हुआ. ओके, तो क्या तुम पूरे नहीं हो गोल्ड के? ओनली द आउटर body is coated with gold. Inside you are just ordinary metal. He was too polite to make any personal remark, but he didn't tell it to. He didn't ask it from the happy prince. He just said it to himself only, because he knew that the statue was in pain and he didn't want to make any personal remark. तो यहाँ हमने पढ़ा कि the happy prince statue was erected on a high pillar in the middle of the city by the courtiers. और उन्होंने उसको बड़ा ही रॉयल दिखाने के लिए, बिकॉज इट वॉज द स्टैचू ऑफ अ रॉयल पर्सनैलिटी, दे हैव coated it with gold and beautiful gems. After that we have learned कि swallow जो है, when it was moving to Egypt, when it was on its way to Egypt, ये जो है इस सिटी में पहुंचा, and as it was the night time, इसने decide किया कि he will spend the night in this city only, and he has chosen the feet, the pillar of the statue, where the statue was erected, that pillar, to sleep at night. And when he was about to sleep, he felt a drop of water on his body. First he thought that it was raindrops. फिर उसने बाद में he got to know कि ये जो है tears हैं, they were rolling down from the prince's face. ठीक है, तो he asked कि why he was crying. तो happy prince उसको ने उसे बताया कि when he was alive, उसे नहीं पता था कि sorrow क्या है, but as now he was erected as a statue so high in the middle of the city, he could see around his city the sick people, the poor people, the helpless people. ठीक है, तो which he couldn't tolerate, or though he had a heart of metal, but he could not stop crying. तो यहाँ हमने एंड में एक फनी रिमार्क भी देखा कि ओके योर हार्ट इज मेड ऑफ, जो स्वेलो है वो कह रहा है कि अच्छा तुम्हारा हार्ट जो है मेटल का बना हुआ है, इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट मेड ऑफ गोल्ड फ्रॉम इनसाइड. ठीक है, अब हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice, far away in the little street there is a poor house. Far away means बहुत दूर. The statues speaking in a continuity in a very low musical voice में वो बता रहा है कि far away he could see a little street, and there was a little house, poor house. One of the windows is open, one of the window of the house was open, and through it I can see a woman seated at the table. And the prince is telling, the statue is telling that he could see a woman who is seated at a table in the house. Her face is thin and worn. उसका चेहरा जो है वो थिन है और worn means tired है. She is looking tired, and she has coarse red hands all pricked by the needle, for she is a seamstress. Seamstress होता है the lady who earned her living by doing the job of stitching or embroidery. ठीक है, जो कपड़ों को सिल कर या उन पर कुछ बुनाई करके जो है वो अपने पैसे कमाती है, that is known as that lady is known as seamstress. ठीक है, तो now the statue is explaining that he could see a little street where he could see a poor house, and one of the window of the house was open, so he could look through it, and he could see that a woman was seated at a table in the house. The woman's face was looking thin and tired, and she had very rough and red hands. Why the hands were red? Because all the day the needles pricked in her hand, because she is a seamstress. She worked as a seamstress. She is doing the job of stitching and embroidery. So the needle, the whole day she is working with the needle, so it pricked into her hands and they got red. She is embroidering flowers on a certain gown for the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor to wear at the next court ball. तो वो अभी क्या कर रही है? At present she is embroidering flowers. वो flowers जो है embroider कर रही है on a certain gown, और वो gown किसका है? It is फॉर द लवलीस्ट, जो क्वींस की मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर्स हैं उसमें से जो लवलीस्ट मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर है उसके लिए ये गाउन बन रहा है. एंड शी हैड टू वेयर इट एट द नेक्स्ट कोर्ट बॉल. कोर्ट बॉल मीन्स जो पैलेस की पार्टी है नेक्स्ट, उसमें उसको ये पहनना है. इन अ बेड इन द कॉर्नर ऑफ द रूम हर लिटिल बॉय इज लाइंग इल. और उसी कॉर्नर, in the same room, in a corner there is a bed. He could see a bed on which a little boy, this lady's little boy, was lying and he was ill. वो बीमार है. He has a fever. उसको फीवर है and is asking his mother to give him oranges. वो he is asking his mother to give him oranges. The child wanted to eat orange. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, or the lady is not having anything to offer the child. She couldn't provide him oranges as it was a poor lady. She was not having anything else than the so she was offering him only river water to drink. So he is crying, and that's why the boy was crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. Now the prince, the statue of happy prince, requesting the swallow कि would you do me a favor, would you take out this ruby out of my sword handle and would you give it to this lady, because she is a poor lady, she didn't have money to buy oranges for this boy and to get him treated. So will you do me a favor, take this ruby out of my sword hilt and just give it to the lady so that she could have some money and she could give whatever the child is demanding. My feet are fastened, as my feet are fixed to this pedestal, this pillar, so I cannot move. So the prince could not move, so he is requesting the swallow to do him a favor. I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. Now the swallow said, no, my friends were waiting for me in Egypt. I have to go to Egypt. My friends are flying up and down the Nile and taking to the large lotus flowers, talking to the large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. He said that he had been waited for in Egypt. His friends are already reached Egypt. Nile is the river which is in Egypt, means his friends are already in Egypt and they are enjoying the river water and the large lotus flowers which are which bloomed in the which are blooming in the river. Soon they will, and soon they would be sleeping. So I need to reach Egypt and I have to meet them before they get to sleep. The prince asked the swallows to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. The boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad, he said. अब प्रिंस जो है वो स्वेलो को क्या रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि प्लीज स्टे वन नाइट फॉर मी विद मी एंड बी माई मैसेंजर, प्लीज डू दिस फेवर as I couldn't help that lady, so you could be my messenger, you could do this task at my place. The boy is looking so thirsty and the mother was looking so sad. I don't think I like boys, answered the swallow. Swallow ने कहा कि I don't like boys, then why should I help him? I want to go to Egypt, मुझे तो इजिप्ट जाना है. But the happy prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. Then the happy prince looked very sad. He couldn't have any other choice. Only swallow could do this favor to him, so he looked sad. और लिटिल स्वेलो को भी फिर सॉरी फील हुआ. इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड हेयर. उसने कहा कि यहाँ बहुत ठंड है. ही नीड टू माइग्रेट सून टू इजिप्ट, अदरवाइज वो इस ठंड को बेयर नहीं कर पाएगा. ही सेड, बट ही एग्रीड टू स्टे विद हिम फॉर वन नाइट. लेकिन उसने कहा चलो एक रात में रुक जाता हूँ एंड बी हिज मैसेंजर, मैं उसके लिए ये टास्क कर देता हूँ. थैंक यू लिटिल स्वेलो, सेड द प्रिंस. प्रिंस सेड थैंक यू टू द स्वेलो. द स्वेलो picked out the great ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with it in his beak over the roofs of the town. The swallow picked out the great ruby. उसने वो जो red ruby stone था, he picked it up from the sword and flew away with it. उसने उसे अपनी बीक में रखा and then he flew over the roofs of the towns. He passed by the cathedral tower where the white marble angels were sculptured. और रास्ते में उसने चर्च टार जो था, कैथेड्रल मीन्स चर्च टार जो था जहाँ पर वाइट मार्बल एंजल्स जो थी स्कल्पचर हुई थी, दीवारों पर बनी हुई थी, उसने उस चर्च को क्रॉस किया. ही पास बाय द पैलेस फिर वो पैलेस को पास कर रहा था एंड हर्ड द साउंड ऑफ डांसिंग, एंड व्हेन ही वाज पासिंग द पैलेस ही हर्ड द साउंड ऑफ डांसिंग फ्रॉम द पैलेस. अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल केम आउट ऑफ द बालकनी विद हर लवर. और तभी व्हेन ही वाज मूविंग बाय द पैलेस उसने देखा कि a beautiful girl came out at the balcony and she was with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state ball, she said, and she was talking with her lover and she was telling him that she is hoping that her dress would be ready by time for the state ball. जो state की party है तब तक उसकी dress ready हो जाएगी. I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamstresses are so lazy, she was telling to the boy that she had ordered to embroidered flowers on her dress this time, but the seamstresses are so lazy. लेकिन ये जो ladies काम करती हैं embroidery का, they are so lazy, so I am not sure that I hope कि ये time पर ready हो जाए. ठीक है, तो maybe she was talking about the same dress which the lady was embroidering. ठीक है. He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the mast of the ship. फिर उसने रिवर को क्रॉस किया एंड देन ही सॉ lanterns होता है लालटेन्स. ठीक है, मास्ट इज द शिप पर जो एक क्लोथ है विच हेल्प द शिप टू शो द डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, विच हेल्प इट टू मूव. तो उसने उन मास्ट पर लालटन टंगे हुए देखे. एट लास्ट ही केम टू द पुअर वुमेन्स हाउस. और फिर वो एट द एंड वो पुअर लेडी के घर पर पहुंच गया. एंड लुक्ड इन एंड ही लुक्ड इनसाइड. द बॉय वाज टॉसिंग feverishly on his bed. Tossing means moving left to right. ठीक है, तो the boy was tossing on his bed as he was having fever, so he was not feeling comfortable, and the mother had fallen asleep and the lady had fallen asleep on the at the table only as she was tired. She was so tired. In he hopped, and in he hopped. This bird hopped inside, jumped inside, and laid the great rupee on the table beside the women's thimble. Thimble is a cap. ठीक है, it is a metal cap specially made of plastic, जिसको fingers पर पहन ले तो the needles की जो pricks है उससे save करता है ये इसको. ठीक है, तो उसने वो विमेन का जो थिम्बल वहाँ पर था उसने उस थिम्बल के पास जो है वो रूबी रख दिया. देन ही फ्लू जेंटली राउंड द बेड एंड फैनिंग द बॉयज फोरहेड. देन ही फ्लू जेंटली राउंड द बेड. फिर वो बेड के बिकॉज द बॉय वॉज अनकम्फर्टेबल, फीलिंग अनकम्फर्टेबल, ही वॉज टॉसिंग लेफ्ट एंड राइट. सो वो बॉय के बेड के आसपास जो है जेंटली मूव हुआ. फैनिंग द बॉयज फॉरहेड एंड देन ही जस्ट मूव हिज विंग्स. विद हिज विंग्स ही जस्ट गिव डू सम फैनिंग. उसने थोड़ी सी हवा जो है उस बच्चे के फोरहेड पर की. हाउ कूल आई फील सेड द बॉय एंड एज ही गोट द feel the cool air which was coming due to the fanning of the wings of the swallow. तो उसने उसको बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ. he started feeling comfortable. I must be getting better. और उसने सोचा कि now he was feeling better. He sank into a delicious slumber. Slumber होता है sleep. And in this way the boy slept. He went into a delicious sleep means in a comfortable sleep. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done. And then the swallow went back to the happy prince and he had told the whole story ki what he had done. It is curious, he remarked, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. And he also said ki it is really strange that it is very cold here and I cannot bear this cold, but in this cold I am feeling quite warm now after doing this action. That is because you have done a good action, said the prince. और prince ने उसे क्या कहा कि you are feeling warm because you have done a good action. And the little swallow began to think, and then he began to think what the prince had told him and then fell asleep. और फिर वो सो गया सोचते सोचते. Thinking always made him sleepy, क्योंकि thinking हमेशा उसे sleepy कर देती थी. And then he fell asleep. तो अब तक हमने क्या पढ़ा कि हैप्पी प्रिंस ने उसे बताया कि दूर एक घर में एक सेमस्ट्रेस, एक लेडी है हु डज द वर्क ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी. और वहाँ पर उसके पास जो है एक बॉय है हु इज़ इल. उसका बच्चा जो है बीमार है. द बॉय वॉज डिमांडिंग फॉर ऑरेंजेस बट द लेडी वॉज सो पुअर कि शी कुडंट गिव हिम ऑरेंजेस. शी कुड ओनली ऑफर हिम द रिवर वाटर. तो प्रिंस ने उसको रिक्वेस्ट किया कि टेक दिस रूबी एंड गिव इट टू दैट लेडी सो दैट शी कुड प्रोवाइड दैट ऑरेंजेस एंड सम मेडिसिन टू द चाइल्ड। और स्वेलो ने ऐसा ही किया, वो उड़ते हुए जो है गया, रूबी को उसने अपनी बीक में लिया और वो उड़ते हुए जो है उसने चर्च टार को क्रॉस किया, देन ही क्रॉस द पैलेस। ठीक है, पैलेस में उसने शायद क्वीन की मेडन को ही देखा, who was talking about the gown and the embroidery of the gown. She was hoping that her gown would be ready by the state ball. ठीक है, और फिर वो रिवर से उड़ता हुआ जो है लेडी के घर पहुंचा। देन ही लेफ्ट द रूबी नियर द थिम्बल वेयर थिम्बल वॉज केप्ट ऑन द टेबल, वहाँ उसने उसको रख दिया। एंड देन ही जेंटली फ्लू अराउंड द, फिर हमने पढ़ा कि वो किस तरह से बच्चे के आसपास घूमा, उसको ठंडी ठंडी हवा दी अपने पंखों से, और वो उसके पंखों की हवा के बाद वो बच्चा कंफर्टेबल फील करता हुआ सो गया। और फिर जब वापस आकर स्वेलो ने यही बात हैप्पी प्रिंस को बताई तो वो सरप्राइज था कि इतनी ठंड में भी अब उसको थोड़ी वार्म फीलिंग आ रही थी। तो प्रिंस ने उसे बताया कि दिस इज बिकॉज ही हैड डन अ गुड जॉब, और ये सोचता हुआ वो सो गया। नाउ वी विल रीड द नेक्स्ट पोर्शन। When day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath. Tonight I go to Egypt, said the swallow, and he was in high spirit at the prospect. Now, when the next day broke, means when the day began, the next day began, he flew down to the river and he had a bath. And he thought that this night he would go to Egypt, that at the night time he would again start his journey to Egypt, said the swallow. He told it to himself, and he was in high spirit, he was in high energy at the idea that he would move to Egypt tonight. He visited all the monuments and sat a long time on top of the church steeple. As one day before he went through the city, he flew over the city, so he found that this was the beautiful city. So he visited all the monuments to see and sat a long time on the top, और बहुत देर तक वो चर्च स्टीपल स्टार्स, चर्च के हाईएस्ट स्टार पर बैठा रहा वो। When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince, and when it was night time again, when the moon rise, he flew back to the happy prince. Have you any commission for Egypt? And what did he ask? That have you any work? Commission means have you any work for Egypt? He cried. He said loudly, I am just starting because I am going to start my journey to Egypt. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you stay with me one night longer? Now the prince again requested the swallow, and he is requesting the swallow to stay with him for one more night. I am waited for in Egypt, answered the swallow. Now the swallow replied that his friends were waiting for him in Egypt. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. प्रिंस ने कहा कि swallow, little swallow, see far away across the city, कि बहुत दूर जब सिटी को क्रॉस कर देते हैं हम, तो I see a young man, I could see a young man in a garret. Garret means a very dark room. ठीक है, तो मैं एक बहुत अंधेरे कमरे में, I could see a young man, he is leaning over a desk, वो एक डेस्क पर बैठा हुआ है। लीनिंग होता है बेंडिंग डाउन, ठीक है, वो झुका हुआ है उस डेस्क पर, कवर्ड विद पेपर, एंड द डेस्क इज कवर्ड विद पेपर्स, एंड इन द ग्लास बाय हिज साइड देयर इज अ बंच ऑफ withered violets. Violets is a kind of flowers, and withered means dry, सूख गए हैं, वो मुरझाए हुए। एंड इन अ वास, ग्लास वास, उसकी साइड में एक बंच ऑफ ड्राई वायलेट्स हैं, यानी कि वो बहुत दिनों से यहाँ से उठा नहीं है, he didn't get time to change it. ठीक है, his hair is brown and crisp, उसके हेयर जो हैं वो ब्राउन हो गए हैं, and they got hard, maybe he even didn't take a bath from many days, he is so busy in completing this task, and his lips are red as a pomegranate, और उसके lips जो हैं they are red as the pomegranate, as the fruit, and he has large dreamy eyes, और उसकी बड़ी बड़ी और dreamy eyes means he is having many dreams in his eyes. He is trying to finish a play, वो एक प्ले फिनिश करने की कोशिश कर रहा है फॉर द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द थिएटर, but he is too cold to write anymore. But as the weather is too cold, so he is unable to write now. There is no fire in the grate, and he is not getting the warmth because there is no fire in the grate. Grate means fireplace. तो उसके fireplace में fire नहीं है, and he is too cold. He is feeling too cold that he is unable to write. But he had to finish this task. He had to finish a play for the director of the theatre. And hunger has made him faint, और वो hungry भी है, and he is feeling weak because of faint means he hunger had made him weak. I will wait with you one night longer, said the swallow, who really had a good heart. अब swallow का भी बड़ा अच्छा heart है, तो उसने कहा okay, he would wait for with him one night longer, कि वो एक रात और रुक जाएगा. He asked if he should take another ruby to the young playwright. तो उसने कहा अच्छा, if today I'll stay with you, it means he had to again go and give another rupee to the young playwright. Alas, I have no ruby now, said the prince. Prince ने कहा कि alas means दुख की बात है कि this time I had no ruby now. मेरे पास एक ही रूबी थी, that I have already given to the poor lady. My eyes are all that I have left, but I have left the spires only. मेरी आंखें अब बची हैं मेरे पास. They are made of rare fires, as they are also made of costly and beautiful stones, precious gems, so which were brought out of India 1,000 years ago, and they are precious because they were brought out from India 1,000 years ago. ठीक है, तो they are costly and precious gems. He ordered the swallow to pluck out one of them and take it to the playwright. उसने कहा कि एक इसमें से pluck करो और just take it to the playwright. Playwright means the person who is writing the play. ठीक है, he will sell it to the jeweler and buy firewood. कि because they are the precious gems, so he would sell this jewel to the jeweler, and he would buy firewood and finish his play, and then he would get some warmth and he would able to finish his play. He said, prince ने ऐसा उससे कहा. Dear prince, said the swallow, I cannot do that, and he began to weep. Swallow ने कहा, no, I cannot take out your eyes. How could you expect it that I would take out your eye? Dear prince, I cannot do that. And he began to, and he started to cry. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. उसने कहा, swallow, little swallow, do as I ordered you. Please obey my command and do whatever I have ordered you. So the swallow plucked out the prince's eyes. So swallow ने वैसा ही किया. He plucked out one of the prince's eyes and flew away to the young man's garret. और वो young man के dark room पर चला गया उड़कर. It was easy enough to get in, and it was very easy to enter into that garret, as there was a hole in the roof, क्योंकि roof में एक hole थी. Through this he darted. Darted होता है sudden movement. ठीक है, through this hole he just pushed himself in and came into the room. और वो room में आ गया. The young man had his head buried in his hand. वहाँ जो लड़का था, जो young man था, he was sitting, he was having his head buried in his hand. वो अपने hands में अपने head को cover करके बैठा हुआ था. So he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wings. Flutter means the movement, ठीक है, sound of the movement. तो उसने जो sound birds के wings की movement से जो sound हो रही थी वो उसने नहीं सुनी, because his ears were also covered when he buried his head into his hands. ठीक है, when he looked up he found the beautiful spires lying on the withered violet. और जब वो उसने ऊपर देखा तो he found the beautiful stone lying on the withered violet. वो जो मुरझाए हुए फूल थे उनके पास जो है एक beautiful gem पड़ा था. I am beginning to be appreciated, he cried. Now the playwright was surprised. He thought that he was getting famous. This is from some great admirer. This gem was gifted to him from some great admirer who appreciated his work. Now I can finish my play. And he thought that now he could finish his play, and he looked quite happy, and he was looking very happy. तो यहाँ हमने पढ़ा कि the swallow was about to go to Egypt. He asked the prince whether he had any work to Egypt. He informed the prince that he would start his journey to Egypt that night. तो prince ने क्या कहा? Prince requested him to stay with him for one more night, कि मेरे साथ एक दिन और रहो. As I could see someone else in need, he also need our help, so stay with me. And who was he? He was a playwright who was sitting in a garret, dark room में वो बैठा हुआ था. He was trying to finish a play. लेकिन वो फिनिश नहीं कर पा रहा था क्योंकि उसके रूम में बहुत ठंड थी, उसकी फायरप्लेस में वुड ख़त्म हो गई थी और ही वॉज हंग्री। तो स्वेलो को उसने कहा कि एक रात और रुको और हेल्प मी, एंड दिस टाइम ही आस्क्ड द स्वेलो टू प्लक वन ऑफ हिज आई, वन ऑफ द फायर फ्रॉम हिज आईज एंड गिव इट टू द प्ले राइट। और ऐसा ही उसने किया। वो उसकी रूफ में से एंटर करता हुआ उसने वो जो फायर था वो उसको दिया, और उस फायर को लेने के बाद द प्ले राइट वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, ही वॉज लुकिंग वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज नाउ ही वुड एबल टू फिनिश हिज टास्क एंड ही वुड एबल टू अर्न सम मनी फॉर हिमसेल्फ। अब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। The next day the swallow flew down to the harbour. He sat on the mast of a large vessel and watched the sailors working. I am going to Egypt, cried the swallow, but nobody minded, and when the moon rose he flew back to the happy prince. अब नेक्स्ट डे नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग द स्वेलो फ्लू डाउन टू द हार्बर। वो पोर्ट पर गया एंड ही सेट ऑन द मास्ट, और वो मास्ट पर जो सेल थी, लार्ज वेसल मीन्स शिप, जो लार्ज सी शिप थी, एक बड़ी सी शिप, उसकी जो सेल थी उसके ऊपर वो बैठ गया एंड वॉच द सेलर्स वर्किंग, और वो सेलर्स को देखता रहा काम करते हुए। आई एम गोइंग टू इजिप्ट एंड ही क्राइड, ही सेड लाउडली दैट ही वुड गो, ही वॉज गोइंग टू इजिप्ट that night, but nobody minded, and when the moon rose he flew back to the happy prince, means no one bothered, or everyone was busy in working, the sailors were busy in working, and then when the moon rose he flew back to the happy prince, वो वापस happy prince के पास उड़ कर गया। I have come to bid you goodbye, he cried, और उसने क्या कहा, I have come back to say you goodbye. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said prince, will you not stay with me one night longer? And now we are again getting to know कि again the prince is requesting the swallow to spend one more night with him. It is winter, answered the swallow. Swallow ने कहा कि ये तो winter season है, देखो ठंड बढ़ रही है, and I would not able to bear this winter and the snow will soon be here, और बहुत जल्दी बर्फ पड़ जाएगी। In Egypt the sun is warm on the green palm trees and the crocodile lie in the mud and look lazily about them. Egypt में the weather is very fine, the sun is warm and everyone is enjoying that warmth, and I also wanted to enjoy it, so allow me to go. In the square below, said the happy prince, there stands a little match girl. She has let her matches fall in the gutter and they are all spoiled. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money, and she is crying. She has no shoes or stockings and her little head is bare. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her. अब वो क्या कह रहा है कि इन द स्क्वेयर बिलो, स्क्वेयर मीन्स एक चुराहा, ठीक है, तो फ्रॉम वेयर in all the four directions the ways are diverse, ठीक है। तो एक चौराहे पर जो है एक लड़की खड़ी है, एंड शी इज़ अ मैच गर्ल, मीन्स द गर्ल हु सेल्स द मैच स्टिक्स, ठीक है। तो शी हैज़ लेट हर मैचेस, उसकी जो मैच स्टिक्स हैं, दे फेल इनटू अ गटर, उसके हाथ से छूटकर वो एक गटर सीवर्स में गिर गई हैं, एंड दे आर ऑल स्पॉइल्ड बिकॉज इन आफ्टर गेटिंग इनटू सीवर्स दे ऑल गेट वेट, और वेट होने के बाद नाउ दे आर नॉट वर्किंग। her father will beat her and now no one will buy it, और उसके father जो है उसको मारेंगे if she does not bring home some money, and now no one will buy those wet matchsticks because they are useless now. तो अगर वो घर पनी नहीं लेकर गई तो her father would beat her and she would cry. She has no shoes or stockings, देखो वो कितनी पुअर है लड़की, she has no shoes, no stocking in her feet and her little head is also bare. See how in what condition she was selling those matchsticks. She is bare feet, bare head, bearing this cold weather. Pluck out my other eyes, please pluck out the other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her. In this way you can save her from the beating. I will stay with you one night longer, said the swallow, but I cannot pluck out your eye, you would be quite blind then. अब swallow ने कहा कि ठीक है, मैं मान लेता हूँ तुम्हारी बात, I would stay with you, but I cannot pluck your eyes. But he was not ready to pluck the other eye of the prince because he knew that after plucking out the other eye, the prince would be blind. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. Swallow, prince ने again the same thing princess said कि do as I command you, please follow my order and pluck it up. So he plucked out the prince's other eyes and darted down. Darted down means very quickly he moved down with it और वो उस आई के साथ नीचे की तरफ मूव हुआ. He swooped past the match girl. Swoop past means he moved very at a very low height. वो मूव हुआ मैच गर्ल के पास एंड स्लिप द ज्वेल इनटू द पाम ऑफ हर हैंड, और उसने उस ज्वेल को उसकी हथेली पर जो है स्लिप कर दिया, फेंक दिया. What a lovely bit of glass, cried the little girl. And as the girl found the stone in her hand, she said, what a lovely bit of glass, कि कितना सुंदर ग्लास पीस है ये. She ran home laughing. She knew it was precious, so she ran home laughing. Then the swallow came back to the prince. और वो वापस आया. You are blind now, he said, so I will stay with you always. उसने कहा कि देखो अब तुम बिल्कुल ब्लाइंड हो गए हो, you are not able to see, so now I would not go to Egypt. I will stay with you always. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहूँगा. तो अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा? The third kind task done by the prince and the swallow. They have seen, जब swallow ने उसे इन्फॉर्म किया कि that night he would move to Egypt, so again the prince requested him to stay one night with him to help the poor girl who was selling the matchsticks in the square, and her matchstick got wet because she slipped it in a gutter. और अगर वो बिना पैसों के घर जाएगी तो उसके फादर उसको मारेंगे. तो द प्रिंस ऑर्डर टू प्लक द अदर fire from his eye and give it to the girl, and the same has been done by the swallow. swallow ने वैसा ही किया and the girl was happy at the end. और अब हम यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं कि swallow ने डिसाइड किया कि he would not move to Egypt as the prince got blind. तो he informed the prince that he would going to stay with him always. वो हमेशा उसके साथ रहेगा. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we will read the next. No, little swallow, said the poor prince, you must go away to Egypt. The prince said the poor swallow, no, he should go to Egypt as his friends were waiting there. No, I will stay with you always, said the swallow. The swallow said no, he would always stay with the prince as he got blind now. He slept at the prince, and by saying this, वो उसके पैरों में सो गया. All the next day he sat on the prince's shoulder and told him stories of what he had seen in strange lands. As swallow was moving from country to countries, तो अगले दिन से he just sat on the prince's shoulder, वो उसके शोल्डर पर बैठ जाता और वो उसे अलग अलग स्टोरीज जो है बताता, स्ट्रेंज लैंड्स जो भी उसने घूमे हुए थे उनके बारे में. Dear little swallow, said the prince, you tell me of marvelous things, but more marvelous than anything is the suffering of men and women. Now prince has told him कि dear little swallow, you told me marvelous things, beautiful stories, touching stories, but more touching than anything is the suffering of men and women. Women की suffering से ज़्यादा कुछ touching नहीं हो सकता. You have told me many stories, many touching stories, but now tell me about the sufferings of the men and women of my city. There is no mystery so great as misery. मिजरी से ज़्यादा कुछ मिस्टीरियस नहीं है. Fly over my city, मेरी सिटी के ऊपर उड़ो लिटिल स्वेलो, एंड टेल मी व्हाट यू सी देयर, एंड टेल मी कि व्हाट यू कैन सी इन माय सिटी. सो द स्वेलो फ्लू ओवर द ग्रेट सिटी. स्वेलो ने वही किया. ही took the command and he just flew over the city and saw the rich making merry in their beautiful houses. उसने देखा कि जो रिच लोग हैं they were just happy, they were doing parties in their beautiful houses while the beggars were sitting at the gate. जबकि जो old people हैं who are the beggars, they were sitting at the gates. He flew into the dark lanes. वो dark lanes में, dark गलियों में उड़ा. And saw the white faces of starving children. और उसने भूखे बच्चों के सफ़ेद पड़े हुए चेहरे देखे. लुकिंग आउट लिस्टलेसली, दे वर लुकिंग एनर्जी लेस एट द ब्लैक स्ट्रीट्स. वो ब्लैक स्ट्रीट्स में एनर्जी लेस दिख रहे थे. अंडर द आर्कवे ऑफ अ ब्रिज, 2 लिटिल बॉयज वर लाइंग इन ईच अदर्स आर्म टू ट्राई एंड कीप देमसेल्व्स वार्म. फिर वो एक ब्रिज के पास उठकर गया. ब्रिज का जो आर्कवे था, ब्रिज के नीचे जो साइड में स्पेस था, वहाँ 2 बच्चे, दे वर लाइंग विद ईच अदर आर्म्स, वो एक दूसरे की बाहों में पड़े हुए थे. दे वर ट्राइंग टू कीप देमसेल्व्स वार्म. How hungry we are, they said. They were telling each other that they were very hungry. You must not lie here, shouted the watchman. इतने में जो ब्रिज का वॉचमैन था, he just came there and he shouted on the children that they must not lie here. They couldn't stay under the bridge and they wandered out into the rain. और वो बच्चे रेन में भीगते हुए चले गए because they were homeless. Then he flew back and told the prince what he had seen. और उसने वापस जाकर प्रिंस को बताया कि उसने क्या क्या देखा। आई एम कवर्ड विद फाइन गोल्ड सेड द प्रिंस। प्रिंस ने कहा कि सी माई होल बॉडी इज कवर्ड विद फाइन गोल्ड, यू मस्ट टेक इट ऑफ लीफ बाय लीफ and give it to the poor. And now what you are supposed to do, just take layer by layer, take off the layers of gold one by one and give it to the poor people who are in need of this gold. The living always think that gold can make them happy. The living, the people who are alive, they think that they think or they need, actually they need money, right, to survive. So gold, they can get some money by this gold, so it can make them happy. Leaf after leaf of the fine gold the swallow picked off till the happy prince looked quite dull and grey. और ऐसा ही swallow ने किया, लेयर बाय लेयर ऑफ द फाइन गोल्ड द swallow picked off. swallow ने वो लेयर्स जो हैं पिक की till the happy prince looked, और वो ऐसा करता गया जब तक हैप्पी प्रिंस का स्टैचू जो है इट स्टार्टेड लुकिंग क्वाइट डल एंड ग्रे, वो डल और ग्रे दिखना शुरू हो गया. लीफ आफ्टर लीफ ऑफ द फाइन गोल्ड ही ब्रॉट टू द पुअर, और as these layers of fine gold were reaching to the poor people, the children's faces grew rosier. उन बच्चों के जो सफ़ेद चेहरे थे, they were now getting rosier. They were started getting pink, and they laughed and played in the street. And now they were looking happy. We have bread now, they cried. वो बच्चे अब क्या कहते हुए सुनाई दे रहे थे? That they have food now. Then the snow came, और फिर weather और ठंडा हो गया, मौसम और ठंडा हो गया, और snow फॉलिंग शुरू हो गई. आफ्टर द स्नो केम द फ्रोस्ट, स्नो के बाद फ्रोस्ट टाइमिंग आ गया. व्हेन द स्नो स्टार्टेड गेटिंग फ्रोस्ट, जमनी शुरू हो गई बर्फ, और ये वेदर जो है कोल्ड से कोल्डर और कोल्डेस्ट हो गया. द स्ट्रीट लुक्ड एज इफ दे वर मेड ऑफ सिल्वर. पूरी जो स्ट्रीट्स थी दे वर covered with white snow and they were looking silver. Everybody went about in furs. Because it was cold weather now, so everyone was roaming after covering themselves in the fur clothes so that they can keep themselves warm. And the little boys wore scarlet cap and skated on the ice. और जो छोटे बच्चे थे they wore bright red colors cap and they were skates and they were playing on the ice. तो अब हमने पढ़ा कि उस finally swallow has taken the decision to stay with the happy prince, and every day he sat on his shoulder and told him about the stories of different lands. Or then happy prince asked him to tell the stories about, to move around in his city, and told him about the miseries of the people of his own city. और ऐसा ही फिर swallow ने किया भी, और वो घूम घूम कर फिर उसको बताता है what kind of difficulties the people of his cities are facing. And finally happy prince ने उसे क्या ऑर्डर किया कि you just take leaf by leaf of all the gold also you just distribute among those poor people because they need it. और ऐसा ही swallow ने किया भी. and then we are getting to know कि weather बहुत ठंडा हो गया. now we will see whether the swallow will move to the Egypt or whether he will able to stay with the prince. तो अभी पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं आगे. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. Now we are getting to know कि वेदर जो है वो कोल्ड से कोल्डर और कोल्डेस्ट होता गया, बट दैट swallow was now the swallow must move to a warm place to keep him alive, but he was not ready to leave the prince. He loved him too well. वो उसे बहुत प्यार करने लग गया था. He picked up crumbs outside the baker's door when the baker was not looking and tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. He was just taking the bread crumbs, bread pieces from the baker's door, जब वो baker उसको नहीं देख रहा होता था, and he just flap his wings to keep him warm. But at last he knew that he was going to die. लेकिन अब उसे पता चल गया था कि he was about to die. He couldn't bear this cold weather anymore. He had just enough strength to fly up to the prince's shoulder once more, and now he was only having the strength that for the last time he could sit on the prince's shoulder. So he flew and he just sat on his shoulder and said, "Goodbye, dear prince," he murmured in a very low sound. He said, "Goodbye, dear prince. Will you let me kiss your hand?" And he asked for the permission to give him a kiss on his hand. "I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last, little swallow," said the prince. Now the prince was very happy to hear this, that finally the little swallow has decided to move to Egypt. "You have stayed too long here, but you must kiss on my lips, for I love you." उसने कहा कि I am very much happy that you have finally decided that you are going to move to Egypt, and because you have stayed too long with me, so why to kiss on my hand? You must kiss on my lips because you are very dear to my heart, and I love you a lot. It is not to Egypt that I am going, said the swallow. I am going to house of death. Death is the brother of sleep, is he not? तो यहाँ वो बता रहा है कि he is not moving to Egypt actually. He knew that he was about to die, so he informed the same thing to the prince that he is actually going to the house of death. वो मरने वाला है, and he is also asking him कि death जो है, it is the brother of sleep, means I am going to sleep for a long time. And he kissed the happy prince on the lips, and as the prince has told him to kiss on lips, he did the same and fell down dead at his feet. और फिर वो यहाँ उसके feet पर मर गया. तो फाइनली अब हम देख रहे हैं that the swallow was not able to bear the cold weather, and he finally died and he fell down at the happy prince's feet. But prince has informed him that he was very dear to his heart, right? They loved each other. Here we can see how close relation they have built with each other and how close relation they were sharing with each other. तो अब हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue, as if something had broken. The fact is that the leaden heart had snapped right in two. It certainly was a dreadful hard frost. और उसी वक्त a strange crack sound could be heard from inside the statue, and it was as if something had broken inside the statue. और ये इनफैक्ट क्या टूटा था? It was the metal heart, and it had snapped to the broke. ठीक है? It cut into two pieces. It was surely a dreadful hard frost which has even broke the metal heart also. Early the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square below in the company with the town councillor. The next morning, the mayor, the head of the city, was taking a walk, and he came near the square where this column was erected, where this pillar was erected. ठीक है? And he was with his town councillors. As they passed the column, और जैसे ही इस पिलर के पास से निकले, they looked up at, he looked up, the mayor looked up at the statue. Dear me, how shabby the happy prince looks, he said. और उसने कहा कि how dirty the happy prince was looking. How shabby indeed, cried the town councillors, who always agreed with the mayor, and they went up to look at it. How dirty indeed. और टाउन काउंसलर ने भी सेम चीज़ रिपीट की. दे वर ऑलवेज सपोज टू डू द सेम थिंग. वो हमेशा मेयर की बात को रिपीट ही करते थे. तो सेम थिंग दे हैड हैपन this time also. The ruby has fallen out of his fold, his eyes are gone, and he is golden no longer, said the mayor. Now the mayor was telling that everything has lost, the gold, the precious stones. In fact, he is little better than a beggar. Beggar से कुछ कम नहीं लग रहा है. Little better than a beggar, said the town councillors. और town councillors ने भी वही बात मेयर की रिपीट की कि this statue is no more looking better than a beggar. And here is actually a dead bird at his feet. और उसने कहा देखो, कंटिन्यूड द मेयर, उसने बोलना कंटिन्यू किया मेयर ने और कहा देखो यहाँ पर एक डेड बर्ड इज ऑल्सो लाइंग एट हिज फीट. वी मस्ट रियली इशू अ प्रोक्लेमेशन दैट बर्ड्स आर नॉट टू बी अलाउड टू डाई हियर. प्रोक्लेमेशन होता है एन ऑर्डर. Now the mayor is telling we must really issue an order कि birds are not allowed to die here, and the town clerk made a note of suggestion. और जैसे ही मेयर ने ये बात कही, टाउन क्लर्क ने एक सजेशंस का नोट जो है नोट कर लिया. Here the writer, the author is going to add some humor. ठीक है? So they pulled down the statue of the happy prince. और as he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful, said the art professor at the university. यूनिवर्सिटी के जो आर्ट प्रोफेसर थे, they have suggested कि ये ना तो ब्यूटीफुल रहा है and it is no longer useful now, so they pulled down the statue of the happy prince. उन्होंने उसको नीचे गिरा दिया. Then they melted the statue in a furnace. What a strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen at the foundry. This broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace. We must throw it away. So they threw it on a dust heap where the dead swallow who was also lying. And then they ordered to melt this statue because it was made of metal. तो उस metal को reuse करने के लिए, recycle करने के लिए they ordered to melt it in a फायर प्लेस. फर्नेस होता है भट्टी. भट्टी में उसे मेल्ट करने के लिए भेज दिया गया. फाउंड्री मीन्स वर्क प्लेस, जहाँ पर वर्कमैन काम कर रहे हैं, और ओवरसीयर होता है उनका ओवरलुकर, जो उनको देख रहा है, उनके काम को चेकआउट कर रहा है. ठीक है। तो द ओवरसीयर फाउंड कि व्हाट अ स्ट्रेंज थिंग, एक बहुत स्ट्रेंज थिंग हैपन हुई, जो उसका ब्रोकन लेड हार्ट था, इट वाज नॉट मेल्टिंग इन द फर्नेस। ठीक है, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि नाउ दे हैव टू थ्रोन इट अवे इफ इट इज नॉट गेटिंग मेल्ट, सो दे थ्रू इट ऑन द डस्ट हीप। उन्होंने उसे एक कूड़े के ढेर पर फेंक दिया, वेयर द डेड स्वेलो वाज आल्सो लाइंग, जहाँ पर वो डेड स्वेलो पहले से ही पड़ा हुआ था। ठीक है, तो देन द बोथ precious things, both the things which were very close to each other, they again came to each other. तो यहाँ हमने पढ़ा कि फाइनली वो हैप्पी प्रिंस जो है, his heart broke when he found that the bird was dead. On next morning, when the mayor and the town councillors were on round, they found that the statue of the happy prince was looking shabby, was not at all looking beautiful. So they decided to remove the statue from there, and they pulled it down, and then it was ordered to melt it in the furnace. And when it was getting melted, the overseer found that the heart was not melting, which was made of lead. So finally they throw the heart on the dust heap where the dead bird was already lying. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Bring me the two most precious things in the city, said God to one of his angels, and the angel brought him the leaden heart and the dead bird. अब next day God ने one of his angels से कहा कि go and bring me two most precious things from the city of happy prince, and the angel has brought the leaden heart and the dead bird. You have rightly chosen, said God. God ने कहा कि you have rightly chosen, for in my garden of paradise this little bird shall sing forevermore, and in my city of gold the happy prince shall praise me. क्योंकि अब ये जो bird है, they really deserve this place, as the bird has done a lot of good deeds when he was alive, so he deserved the garden of paradise. Now he will sing in my garden of paradise forever, and as the happy prince also did a lot of good deeds when he was alive and even when he was erected as a statue, so in my city of gold he is having a golden heart indeed. He was indeed a golden personality, so he should live in my city of gold and he will praise me. So finally we are getting to know that good deeds always pay back. So finally both the beautiful heart, kind hearted prince and the bird got placed near the goat, right? So this was our story. I hope you understood. This was for today. I will see you in my next class. Bye everyone.